So guys, I'm gonna talk about a library called stats models. As you can see, I already imported it, and then the pandas, and then the data frame that we are gonna be using as example. Um, Meron din ako dito nung documentation ng stats models na library, like this thing. So, ang isang catch lang dito is para magamit natin itong function na to, for example, kailangan nating i-import yung mismong class manually, like this, from yung class name na kinapi-paste ko, import yung function which is name OLS. Tapos yun, pwede natin gamitin yun. For some reason, di siya gumagana pag hindi natin ginawa this way. I don't know why. Hindi naman ako computer science. So, let's do a linear model. Maggamit natin siya as OLS. Tapos, kunwari lang, may correlation tong dalawang A2 at A1. Gagawin nating X variable yung A1, tas Y variable yung A2. So, data. Extract natin yon. Tas, data A2. Tas, after that, para makuha natin yung result, kailangan natin siyang i-fit. Res linear model.fit method. Tapos yun, pwede natin kunin yung summary niya. My God, cough. So yun, makikita naman natin para siyang Excel na box din ang design. Meron tayong R-squared, meron tayong Durbin-Watson, Jack-Pera, whatever that is, skew, kurtosis, and then number of observation. Yeah, kompleto siya. BIC, IC. Tapos, I think we can also extract the residuals from this. P-values, resid. Let's try that. Ayun. Masyado siya madami kaya hindi niya nilahat. What about yung fitted values? Yan. Yung fitted values natin. So, what about other examples? Imputation, regression, I don't know what this is. General estimation equations, GLM discrete count models, I don't know what that is. And then QQ plot, try natin to. Again, kailangan natin import from this, from import QQ plot. Kunwari lang time series yung data natin. Makikita din natin sa documentation kung ano yung mga kailangan na parameters. We can see in this one na isa lang yung required, yung data lang mismo. Yung isang vector na madaming dimension. QQ plot. Tapos let's say A3 ang kailangan nating i-graph. So ayun, pangit nga. From observation is siguro hindi siya normal. Kasi hindi naman to data talaga. This is just yung sa observation sa questionnaire. Tapos, yun. Another example. Description. Okay. You can also use this. We can import again. Description. Tapos, let's say this is equal to description ng ating data. I don't know what this does. Sinasabi niya, dinidescribe niya lang yung data. Kung ano yung mga possible na analysis na pwedeng gawin. So, that's summary. Ang in-input ko dito is yung buong data na meron tayo. Which is madami. Buong data frame. So, ayun. Ang dami. Yung range natin is between 3. Depende sa variable. Tapos yung mode 4, 5, etc. Kaya na bahala mag-interpret. So, what about ACF? Q stat X tsaka sa nubs int number of observations in the entire sample. Let's try this, pero hindi ko alam ang nagagawa na ito. From import Q stat, that's Q. Let's say yung data natin is A4. Oh my god, it's not working. Number of observations. Siguro yung length ng data natin. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? So ayun, kayo na bahala kung paano gumagana yan. Hindi ako maalam mag-interpret. We can also do I guess may ano dito. May factor analysis. BACA. Yeah, BACA yung ibig sabihin na ito principal component analysis. Let's actually do factor analysis one time for fun. Again, we're gonna import this class name from import ano pangalan nun? Factor. Tapos fact is equal to factor. Tapos yung data natin is yung data. Tapos ang end variables natin ay sa una kasi dapat malaki muna yung pinipili para makapag-test tayo ng Kaiser ba yan? Kaiser criterion kung ilang eigenvalues ang lumalampas sa 1. So let's say 5, malaki na yun. Tapos yung method natin is PA, principal analysis. No, let's use ML, most likely ata. Tapos yun, pauna lang to, pero kailangan nating pumili ng mas magandang n variables. Oh shit, wala bang S yun? And factor miss. Tapos yung res.fact, kailangan nating i-fit yung fact that fit. Tapos res.fact that summary. Attention, ito yung communality. I don't know what this means. Be rotated loadings. I wonder what rotation is used. Maybe Barimax? I don't know. What's the default? Pero pwede natin i-extract yung eigenvalue ata dito. So yun, eigenvals. My god, dami. Nandito. Has no attribute eigenvals. Wait, what? Wait natin kung paano yan. Kay ChatGPT. Ano nga, dalawa na lang. Hindi na natin isipin yung mga ganyang bagay. Let's also access other values. Like loadings. Meron ba? Meron naman. What about rotation method? Kailangan ko itong alamin. Ano sabi? Wala eh. Hindi ata ito nag-rotate. Gago. Let's move on. So what about ACF? Autocorrelation function. Tingnan natin. Kailangan yung graph. Hindi ito yung pinakang graph mismo ata. Ito. Import natin to. From .im ACF lang ba? Plot ACF. So let's say na time series kunwari yung A5. Plot ACF data A5. My god, kulang sa parenthesis. Ayan. Makikita natin na significant dito yung 1, lag 1, lag 1. What about PACF? Meron ba? PACF seems na wala. PACF, yeah. Sa graphing natin dapat makikita yan sa plot. Walang kwenta kasi mga values na yan kung hindi natin mag-graph. Hindi natin makikita. So, import from blah blah blah. Import plot PACF. Ang interpretation ko nga pala dito is since PACF siya, AR1 model ata. I don't know. Plot tapos data is A5, A4. Ayan. Partial. PACF din ata to. And that is it. Are there more? What about other things called models? ANOVA. Wait lang, it's not working eh. I don't know why. Na-fit naman natin siya. Fuck that fit method ML PACF na lang natin to. 5. Oh my god, what happened? I guess fuck. Let's say eigenvals. Yun, gumana naman. Hanapin natin yung mga eigenvalue na greater than 1. True. So, 3 yung pumasa. Edi 3 yung ating ideal na fit. That's summary. Palitan na natin ang summary. Tingnan nga natin yung loadings. So, ayan. This is it. This is the